honors, babe?
For what?
In honor of fall and buying fall candles. Get us in the mood, dude. Set the mood with this new welcome home candle from Bath & Body Works. You already smell it?
I love candles now. You're putting me on.
Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. So I feel like we're on this little fall kick right now of just fall tutorials and I'm just gonna whip them out. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this super easy fall look. I know you guys are probably like, that doesn't look easy. It's very easy because there is no craze. There's no crazy technique. It's literally blending 3 eyeshadows and going back to the basics. So I have a transition, a crease, and then a lid color. And that is it. I'll also be giving you guys tons of pointers on blending, you know, how to get in certain areas, what exactly to do. It's pretty like, you know, to the point. So hope you guys like that. And yeah, that is it. I mean, the whole look is gonna be on here. So I'm gonna pretty much transform myself into this fall babe right here. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, please continue watching, subscribe if you are not. We are almost at 1 million. So I would love for you guys to join the family so we can get there soon and continue this journey. So with that being said, guys, go ahead and grab your snacks, your cafecitos, your mangos con chile, whatever you want, and let's jump into it. I'm so excited for this video today. I'm excited because, as I mentioned to you guys, we're getting into those autumn looks and I'm so about them. And the palette I'm using today really just kind of blew my mind, and that is the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature. I have many Morphe palettes. They're all really good. I actually am a really big fan of their shadows, but this color scheme right here I think just kind of took the cake. I love that there is so many warms and reds and cranberry tones, and I also love the pop of green too, which you can do a lot with the reds in that. But I think it's an overall really gorgeous palette and something that I can see myself using for a long time. I'm trying to get in the habit of doing videos with like existing palettes I already have, like creating more than just one look. I try to give you guys a look and then move forward and not bore you guys, but sometimes I think it's nice to see many different looks with one palette. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know, because I feel like it's better for both of us. We don't get so confused and so overwhelmed with all these new launches coming out, and new products. And as somebody who is getting the makeup and feeling overwhelmed, I can imagine you guys as well feeling that way. So if you guys want more looks with this palette, because I think you guys are gonna really like how this performs, let me know down below. 1 second, my battery is already dying and I just started. Oh, how did I forget to press start? Thank God I looked. So let's rewind this. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. So I'm gonna go in with this shade first and apply this all over my lid. And I put this on first with my 247 brush from Smith Cosmetics. I just added a good amount onto the crease, kind of just made a line with it. And then from there, I'm gonna go in with my Smith 232 brush and just blend the crease out. By depositing the color on the crease first, you're intensifying the area first, and then it's easier to blend out. I'm gonna go back in with that brush and add a little more. This color is so perfect for a transition. Kind of taking it up a little higher as well. And then now going in with that fluffier blending brush and blending it all out. A little cafecito transition going on. Next, I'm gonna go in with this red matte shade, and I'm gonna apply this to the crease. Now, I like this color because it's not too red, but it's not too orange or too brown. It's like that perfect red. So you'll see right away what I mean. The color blended with the first color, it just looks so good. And this is like a color anybody can wear. It's not just like one specific eye color. You know, it's all about what you're mixing together. Obviously alone might look a little crave unless you're going for like a very editorial look. You're popping, you got that look going down. But for the most part, if you put a nice transition, a nice lid color with it, you can really rock this. If you guys tried this look out and it's your first time blending these kind of shades together, it's okay if it's a little messy on the lid just because that area is not going to show. I really target on making sure up here looks nice and blended. So moving on now to my lid color, I'm gonna go in with this cranberry metallic shade. So I'm gonna take in the shadow with a flat brush and just apply it onto my lid. I don't need to cut the crease or do anything or add more base because this is gonna be a very blended eye. So I add it to the lid first. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and work with what I already applied on there and move it up into the crease area. As always, I like put my mirror very down so I can see my face. It gives me like more lid space versus like this or like this. It's better to just have the mirror at that angle we don't know. You're really able to have major lid potential, major lid goals. So next I'm gonna do a quick and thin wing with a new eyeliner, and that is the one from Haus Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's line. And this one is in the shade Punk. So this is a matter than matte liquid liner, which I have to agree with. I was actually very impressed with this. I feel like a lot of felt tip liners don't really make the cut for me. Something always kind of tends to happen. So I have about 2 that I love at the moment. After trying this on last night and then right now, I'm so obsessed and impressed with it. I'm gonna start off by just pressing this on to the lid area And one of the reasons why I really feel like I liked it even more is not only like how matte it is and how like easy you guys saw that go on. Something about felt tip liners and metallic shadows, they just don't do good together. This starts to crumble up, it starts to like come off. There's just a lot of bad things that happen. And this one, I'm telling you, I tried it on last night on my eye, and then I tried it with this side, and I'm like, wait, what? What? It's pretty down there. I mean, that was pretty easy and it looks really nice, and I have nothing but love for this one. However, I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just go on the sides of my eye, and then now with a little brush, and then now, oh, wrong one. And now, oh! It has been a while since I played with this, but I'm gonna go now in with the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. And speaking of mascara and lashes, I have not given you guys an update on my lash that I chopped off. I shared with you guys a photo, I forget what video it was, but I accidentally chopped off my eyelash with the lash curler. It was my fault because I went out the night before, I kind of sat on it and I bent it. So the next day I went to go curl my lashes and it like took a chunk of this lash off, and it's actually fuller than this eyelash now. I'll have to do a look for you guys soon with no falsies and no eyeliner so you can really see, because I am like this close to chopping off this side to see if it grows longer, because this one looks so full and so pretty. Now I'm like, which eyelash was chopped, because this looks longer now. So for my lashes today, I'm trying out some new ones, and these are from Flutter lashes. I actually picked these up at Mimi's the last time I was there, and this is in the style Shimmer. Let me take it out of here. They're actually really, really cute. Kind of like crisscross, really full, little wispy pieces. I really like it. I think they were about like $9. I feel lashes really give you like a different look. I was in the mood for that feeling. All right, there we go. They're nice and on. I just need to go ahead and add a little bit more liner to even it out. The eye portion of this makeup look is done, and I'm ready to move forward on my face.
Hi guys.
Abby, let me see your chongos. Wow. Sisters. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the 3 products I'm gonna use on my face. One of them is my Dr.Jart Cicapair Cream Tiger Grass Cream. Love this. Followed with the NARS Hot Sand Illuminator. And then I'm also gonna go in with the CoverFX Dewy Skin Primer. Okay, so this is now the illuminator. You can see it illuminates the skin. Always get the neck area as well. So for the primer, I just use this much because it is gonna be looking like this. It looks like oil. If you are oily, I probably wouldn't recommend this one. Definitely, if you are normal to dry, you will like this because your skin will look very, very dewy underneath of everything. So for my foundation today, I'm taking it back with an oldie but a goodie, and that is my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Golden Beige. Look how dewy my hands look. Stuff is no joke. And I'm gonna go in with this brush from It Cosmetics. I just got this in the mail last night and have received so many DMs about it. So pretty much It Cosmetics is working with Look Good, Feel Better. It's a program. Pretty much they created this brush called the Love Beautifully. Love is a foundation brush. So every time someone purchases one of the brushes, one of them is donated to their program. The program pretty much helps women who have effects from cancer and helps them to reboost their confidence, and it's really amazing. So I did a pretty good amount all over. You guys know I love a full coverage. So next I'm gonna take in the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in the shade Custard. And I'm actually gonna mix a couple different ones today. I kinda want this one for brightening and just kind of evening out some of the areas I need brightening in. And this is generally what I like to use when I go for my very natural look. I love just having like a really soft concealer. Something that is easy to blend out and doesn't matte down. So I wanna use this to like kind of brighten up the foundation a little bit. And then from there I'm gonna take in like a hardcore concealer that's gonna give me like the ultimate full coverage, you know? Oh my god, this is what I get for trying to rush and do like my makeup off camera real quick and then come back and be like, okay, moving on to blush. Oh my gosh, so I totally forgot that I used this brush the other day to clean off my palette. When I tell you guys that there is gray eyeshadow in there, there is gray eyeshadow. I like fucked up my whole face, honestly. I just want to know who is sending me the evil eye this week. You guys, I just had to do my entire face makeup off camera. I'm so annoyed. I cannot believe I did that. See, even this one, I even used this one to clean a palette. What was I thinking? Who am I thinking I could do that and put it back in the canister of clean brushes? I didn't know, but I feel dumb now. And that was a lesson learned for me not to do that again. All right, so now that we've made it there, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of setting powder. And I'm actually gonna use this one from Smashbox. It is the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. I've been quite obsessed with this. It's the one that you have to twist and then the powder comes out. I'm gonna press this all over my skin to set everything. I'm gonna move now in with the Ilmakiage Waka Waka Bronzer. I'm gonna use a different brush. Nope, see? Otra vez. gosh, but I have a clean one right here. You know, I just got a deep wash brushes tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this pretty much where I contoured. Just give me a little bit more of a chiseled cheek and definition and bronziness. And I'm now gonna take in this blush from Colourpop called Underclassman. It is Super Shock Cheek. And I'm just going to pop this on my apples. Tap, tap, tap into the bronzer. I'm actually gonna take the blush up a little higher as well. I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and some translucent powder and set underneath of my eyes. I have yet to still try the air spun. I know I told you guys I was gonna use it in an upcoming video. Haven't tried it yet. I'm a little scared. It's one thing for it to happen on camera and be like, boo, it doesn't work. Okay, I can wash up my face. But nothing is worse than like it happening and you actually having to go out. For the most part, when I do get ready with me, you guys know I go out. You see the snaps right after, you see the photos, you see me out and about. So I actually love wearing my makeup out. But certain products just can't be trusted yet until like you play with it. Especially these products, foundation, concealers, and powders. I just play it safe. All right, so I'm gonna move back into the palette and I'm gonna work with the red shades, one being the crease color and one being the metallic. I'm pretty much gonna create a smoky eye underneath. I'm gonna take in a pencil brush and a little bit of the transition color and tap this right over just to kind of buff it out. So that gives like a little bit more of a smokier effect. That to me just looks like that leaf emoji. There's like a red one with a little bit of gold. That is the vibes right now. And for a little extra drama, I'm taking in a darker shade. It's the one next to the transition, this one right here. And I'm just going as close as I can to make it almost look like eyeliner. And then for my eyeliner, I'm gonna take in this one from Marc Jacobs. It is the Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Crown in the shade Fine Wine. Oh my God, this is like hella flaquita. This is actually an existing liner they have, but they have them now in this skinnier version. And this is hella skinny. But no lie, Marc Jacobs eyeliner formulas and colors are out of this world. They definitely are more expensive than your average eyeliner, but this shade in particular is one of my favorites from Marc Jacobs just because I feel like reds are like the hardest to find and they really nailed it down on this color. Okay, I'm also gonna go right by my lash hair. I'm just gonna work some in there. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up the metallic shade and I'm gonna actually tap it over what I just applied. I know it's like a lot of work for just the under eyes, but the under eyes play a really big role in your makeup look. I'm gonna go down, clean up underneath of my eyes. And I always like to dust and then pat. Okay, I'm gonna go now back in with my eyeliner and I'm gonna attempt to do like a quick little cat eye. I know I said I'm running late. I had to be out of here at 2 o'clock and it is 2:07, but my eyeliner is really important in this look. All right, there we go. So I went ahead and did the eyes. It's a little like hard to do, to be honest. Like this one I feel came out really nice, but then this one kind of like droops. I don't know, but it's okay. It is what it is. I think though that it really enhances my eye shape and it gives the look a little bit of a twist, just doing that right there. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and let the eyes kind of relax for a little bit, move on to the mascara towards the end of the makeup look, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on with some highlight. So today I'm gonna use this one from Mercier and it is the Highlight 01. It's their Matte Radiant Big Powder. And when I first saw this, I really didn't think I was going to like it just because it is a little softer than what I'm used to. You guys know I like my highlight like ba-ba-boom. This one, however, it gives you that second true skin finish. For example, let's hit the forehead. I mean, it's pretty blinding, but it's not necessarily like how my other ones are. So I like something like this when I'm going pretty heavy on the eyes. I don't want to be heavy-eyed, heavy lip, heavy cheek, like everything. I want it to be like a nice balance of it. So I find this gives you like that second skin true radiance. And I'm pretty sure they have more shades, but this is the one that I got and I'm telling you, I really liked it. So let's now do it on the cheek because I feel like this is where, you know, we can see a pretty big difference, but you can immediately see that it's like really nice, very, very soft. It's not screaming highlight, which in some cases is actually better. I'm gonna also hit my nose. I always need to have highlight on my nose. I feel like it softens up my makeup. As weird as it is to say that, it really does. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my all-nighter setting spray. So I had to step away from the camera for a little bit just because I was trying to find this one lip color that I wanted to wear. And actually Jenny69 told me about it. It's MAC Cork Lip Pencil with Honey Love and then I forget which juicy lip gloss from Colourpop. And I don't have Cork or Honey Love, like I don't know how I don't have them. So I'm gonna use my favorite Sweet Tea lip liner from Morphe with Fleshpot from MAC and then this So Juicy lip gloss from Colourpop called She's Here. So I'm gonna mix this together. Hopefully it comes out the same. And actually this lip pencil from Morphe, it's called Sweet Tea, I feel is a knockoff from MAC Cork. It looks literally almost the same. Y más barato. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in with a concealer brush. So last night I was actually on my YouTube channel and I got recommended an old video that I uploaded maybe like 2 years ago when I used to have lip fillers. I don't even recognize myself with those lip fillers. I couldn't even watch half my old videos. They're so cringy. I'm like, dang, why did I do that to myself? If you guys are new followers, I used to have lip fillers and I got them dissolved about 2 years ago, I would say. It was honestly the best decision I could have done. I look back at those videos and I'm like, how did I not notice that? And what's crazy is I used to get a lot of comments that were like, your lips are too big. And I seriously thought, oh my God, people are being haters. Like, they just want my lips. Like, who am I? So I look back and I'm like, dang, you know, y'all have my back. But I took it like wrong, but I'm really glad I dissolved it. It was so bad, like so bad. So now I still like the appearance of fuller lips. However, I just overdraw them. I think it looks better because it's different from them being overdrawn versus like how puffy they were. They were filled up to here. It was terrible. Go watch the video if you guys want to see it. And I'm now gonna go in with Fleshpot. It's a fresh one too. That used to be my jam back in the day, just like that. Ooh, that looks so cute. We're gonna do one last spray for good luck. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed real quick and I will be right back. So we are all done with this video. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are, be sure to thumbs it up and let me know down below. That is it for this video. I gotta go, guys. I'm so late and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.